Hey everyone! If you're an IT professional in West Houston, listen up because this is critical. A popular tool many of us rely on, RVTools, has been compromised. Yes, you heard that right. This essential utility for VMware environments has been hit by a supply chain attack, delivering the dangerous Bumblebee malware to unsuspecting users. So, what exactly went down? The official RVTools website was hacked, and users who thought they were downloading the latest version were actually installing a Trojanized installer. This malicious installer sideloaded Bumblebee malware, which is notorious for establishing backdoors, delivering ransomware, communicating with remote servers, and evading detection by hiding in legitimate system processes. Pretty scary stuff, right? But don't worry, because Impress IT Solutions has got your back. We're working with local businesses in West Houston to secure their IT environments against these kinds of threats. When your trusted tools turn against you, it's not your fault, but it can be your fight. Here's how we help. First, we ensure every installer is scanned, verified, and deployed through secure managed systems. No more guessing games. Next, our endpoint protection and malware monitoring tools catch fileless malware, DLL, sideloading, and suspicious installer activity, even when traditional antivirus software misses it. We also verify software integrity through hash checks and installer auditing, especially for critical tools. And we manage and update your third-party tools to keep them safe and secure. If malware makes it in, it won't make it far. We set up network boundaries and access controls to prevent lateral movement. This RVTools incident is a wake-up call. Recent attacks have also compromised pro-colored printers, software updates, and legitimate-looking installers from vendor websites. Strategic attacks on the tools you trust? That's why every software install is a security decision. Impress IT Solutions is your local cybersecurity partner, serving West Houston with expert IT support. We're trusted by small and mid-sized businesses that can't afford downtime or data loss. So contact Impress IT Solutions today to schedule a cybersecurity audit or software review. Let's make sure your trusted tools are truly trustworthy.